To install the Sway Wallet extension, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the official Sway website or a trusted extension store. Look for the Sway Wallet extension and click on the Add to Browser button. You will be redirected to a page where you can add the extension to your browser. Click on the Add Extension button to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you will see a notification that the Sway Wallet extension has been added to your browser. Next, click on the Sway Wallet icon in your browser toolbar and select Create a new wallet. You will be prompted to create a password and agree to the terms of service. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to secure your wallet. After creating your password, you will be given a seed phrase that you must store safely. This seed phrase is used to recover your wallet in case you forget your password or lose access to your account. Write down the seed phrase and store it in a secure location. Once you have stored your seed phrase, you can start using your Sway Wallet extension. The extension will provide you with a unique wallet address that you can use to send and receive Sway coins. You can also use the extension to view your transaction history and manage your account settings. To ensure the security of your wallet, always keep your password and seed phrase confidential. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. And make sure to use a strong and unique password. Regularly back up your wallet data to prevent loss of funds in case something goes wrong. By following these steps, you can easily install and set up the Sway Wallet extension. The Sway Wallet extension provides a convenient and secure way to manage your Sway coins and interact with the Sway network.